To egg on. To egg on is to encourage somebody to do something rather unwise that they shouldn't do. This often happens with children. There are some children who are easily provoked and who are quick to misbehave. And then there are others who are a little bit more careful. And these careful children often egg on the others. It's not a very nice thing to see, especially if, for example, one child is egging on another child to start a fight. This is very unpleasant. But we do see it because some children want the entertainment that they could see in a fight after school. So you hear one child say to another, "Well, that guy, what he said to you, it was wrong. You should fight him after school." And this is how we egg somebody on. When we get older, it doesn't happen so often, but I suppose it could. Perhaps in the workplace, somebody might try to egg on another employee or another colleague. They might say, I don't think the boss should have done that to you. I think you should knock on their door. And then if you're feeling a little bit unhappy, you might do what they said. You might knock on the boss's door and say, give me a pay rise or I'm leaving. Even in a situation where you don't deserve a pay rise. So this would be unwise, but the other person has egged you on, and this is what happens. We also see it sometimes with countries. Perhaps one country will egg on another country. They will say, you should fight or have a war with that neighbour of yours, and we will give you weapons and we will help you fight. But really, this is not a nice thing to do, because the country that ends up fighting is the country that suffers. In the same way that the school child who goes to the park after school and gets involved in a fight is the child who ends up with a bloody nose, while the other children can watch and be entertained. And this is what happens when somebody eggs on another person. It's not nice. And if you find that somebody is egging you on, then you should probably be very cautious and careful. Ask yourself why you are being egged on and whether it's really the best course of action to start this fight that probably will not lead to anything good.